What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good evening it already is, and welcome to this video in which we'll cover Leverfi and the Lever token and this huge move we're in the middle of right now. We'll talk about if we can actually get to our next price targets, what's happening, why we have this move at all, and just basically everything you need to know. So this is quite a fresh move. You can see that it's been happening over the last, today it kind of started like late in the afternoon, at least for my time zone. It depends on where you're from. But yeah, so altogether, Leverfi is a continuation of a ramp DeFi. I didn't see any particular fundamentals for why this move happened. I didn't see anything on Twitter, no new things. I didn't see anything on Medium, so it's a 100% legit project. It's a great project. They're doing some good things, but I didn't see any big news. I mean, I could check this out real quick, but I don't think that that this says anything. No, I mean, not a lot. I mean, yeah, as I said, it's a legit project. They're developing, and one thing that is true and something good to know is that the overall fundamentals behind Lever have been better. All right, after everything that happened with FTX, obviously, a lot of like the more decentralized protocols, like Leverfi. Leverfi is an on-chain leverage trading platform. So interest and kind of, I think also the value for it has substantially increased. But this move, to be 100% honest with you, if there really is no big news, and please let me know if I missed anything, it seems to be a little bit manipulated. Now that doesn't mean that we cannot get it up even more, but that does mean that you should be careful. All right now you can see that we found resistance here at this 0.21 cents level, which historically is a very strong resistance level, but there definitely is still a chance to break through this. But right now, what you can also see is that, for example, right here, in a matter of 5 minutes, we added 4 million in volume. So that must have come from like one person or just a small group of people. And then afterwards drop down immediately again. And then also if you check out right here, you can see that we added another 4 million very recently, like in the last in the last 20 minutes. Again, so it looks like, I don't think the project is manipulating it. I think it's manipulated by whales, most likely. And basically what the main thing is yes, we can surely get up even higher. I've seen it with a lot of cryptos lately, especially this weekend and kind of yesterday and today. The main thing is volume is now increasing a lot. It's coming from credible sources, a lot from Gate.io though, so that's a little bit meh. I don't know what to think of that. But the main thing is we need to close above 0.21 cents. I would say closing above 0.2 cents is already enough on the 1 hour time frame. I think it's enough. But we do need to do that, and we need to do that quickly. Because if we do that, we'll take a break retest, and I think we'll, even though there's some resistance as well at like 0.23 cents, I think then we would be, with the momentum we have, I think we would be moving up to 0.25 and 0.26, 0.27 cents. Very strong psychological resistance levels as well. So that is kind of what I'm looking for. At this point of time, this seems to be the most likely scenario because we have a lot of bullish momentum. But there, I mean, if we don't break above 0.21 and 0.2 cents soon, what's going to happen is that this is going to be our resistance. We'll find some support at 0.17 cents. But at some point, the momentum, like in the next, if we don't do this move in the next 12 hours, the momentum is going to slip away and we're slowly going to drop back down all the way to like 0.15, 0.14 cents. So yeah, we can definitely get up higher, but the conditions for it are pretty strict. So that's my take on Leverfi this evening. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.